Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in this Volkswagen key fob. You're going to need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. You're also going to need a flat blade screwdriver. First thing you want to do is remove the mechanical key. Do that by pressing this button and sliding that out. And using that same button, you want to push and then slide this metal piece this way. That'll give you access to this. Now you want to stick the screwdriver pretty far in and just gently pry up. This back piece can get a little brittle over time, so you just want to be careful. And that's what the inside of it looks like, so you can see how deep you can go. And there's no circuit board that you're going to damage here, so pry the old one out with this little slot right here. Okay, there we go. Now when you put your new battery in, put that side in first, make sure it gets under the lip, and then you just want to squeeze these two covers back together. Put this on first, and put your key back in, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram, and you can check to make sure you've got your red light there. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.